Hi guys, welcome in. So today I'm going to be making this healthy weight loss drink. It is a fast fat burner juice for healthy weight loss, and these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this juice. I have some ginger, lemons, apple cider vinegars. This is the biological one. I have some cucumbers and pineapples. So just watch me guys as I do all this, and then you can as well do it if you love it. Alright guys, as I go on with the preparation of this juice, I just want to say a quick one here. This is not a magical drink, okay? It is not something that you just take and all of a sudden it will just happen boom bad like that. No, that doesn't happen, okay? If you're on a serious weight loss journey, you should know the things to eat and things not to eat, okay? You should be able to eat wise and to eat healthy, and then you should be able to control your portion. You should be able to do your exercises, okay? You just should be able to maintain a healthy lifestyle, a healthy eating, and then focus on your goal, and then you will see your things coming around. But this juice is only going to help you when you maintain a healthy lifestyle and a healthy eating. All right, so what I do guys is that I make this and then I take them for a whole day. A cup in the morning, a cup in the afternoon, and a cup in the night. But that doesn't mean that I'm not going to eat other things. I try as much as I can to just eat healthy eating. And when I mean healthy, I mean to eat things that are very healthy and not craps, okay? So that's just it guys. It is not a magic drink, but it's only going to help to speeding up your weight loss, and then help also to wash out toxics from your body, and then keep your body sound, and then keep it good and in a very good state for it to be able to lose those fats and those unwanted fats from your body, okay? Alright guys, here we have it. The juice is ready. So what I usually do is, that glass there is my glass for each portion of the day, okay? Like I said, one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one in the night. And what I usually do is to add apple cider vinegar into my glass, and then I give it a mix and I take it. So that is it guys. I hope you give this a try and it's gonna be very effective, okay? So thank you for watching. I truly appreciate you. If you have watched me this far, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. And if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do wait to subscribe if you love what you see, and remember to turn the post notification on. Thank you to all my followers that have always come back. I really appreciate you guys. See you all on my next one. Bye.